Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard shortcuts. In the beginning, to use keyboard shortcuts located on F buttons, you have to simultaneously press Endorfy button plus the button you are interested in. Press F1 for File Manager, F2 for F2 for Browser, and F3 for Calculator. Press F4 for Media Player. F5, F6, F7, F8 are for controlling the media. F9 muting the PC. F10 lowering the volume. F11 raising the volume. F12 is not assigned. You can also adjust volume by this knob. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.